Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. To the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne guys, generation 1, first generation, years from 2002 to 2010. If you're guys trying to find, the fuse for the radio guys, for the radio or the CD changer, stay with us and we'll show you where to find those fuses now. We'll guys have all the parts and tools listed in the description of the video below that we use in our videos. Also, we'll be making more than 200 videos on this vehicle alone. Please subscribe guys. Our goal is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. So this is the Cayenne here guys. All the electrical videos, will be made on this car. All the electrical videos. The other videos guys, mechanical videos, will be made on World Mechanics and Auto Repair guys channels as well. So now we need to come to the, right here to the passenger side. Open the door. Let me show you the radio now. If you have radio, CD changer, doesn't matter which radio you have. It might be this one, it might be the one with the screen. Doesn't matter. You need to open that cover here. And the first fuse that we need to check guys, is for the CD changer, fuse number 9. Fuse number 9. So starting on this side, let me count it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That 5 amp fuse guys, this is the one for the CD changer, right there. Ours is good. Now the radio fuse guys. The radio fuse is fuse number 11, it's this 10 amp fuse. Right there, this is the fuse. So hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to some of you trying to find those fuses. If you need help with anything specific, drop a comment below and we'll try to make a video for your specific problem guys. So don't forget to put your cover on. Like that. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.